Andres Andreu here, Chief Architect at Bayshore Networks. Friends and colleagues call me Dre, so if you get in touch with us, feel free to interact with me accordingly. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a demo of the Bayshore Networks IT/OT gateway running natively on a Cisco 829 industrial router. This device typically services the energy utilities sector. For this example, I'm going to use industrial traffic running over the DNP3 protocol. A native DNP3 maliciously crafted packet will be sent to a remote slave or outstation, and it will force that device to shut down. After that, you're going to see a Bayshore provided layer 7 policy that detects these type of attack vectors and automatically reacts to them. The reaction can be a report of the incident or an actual block of the traffic. You're going to see the latter in this demo. Legitimate DNP3 function calls can be used maliciously. A Bayshore policy can actually allow those calls. It can allow them based on an IP address, an IP range, or an IP address during the time of day. There's a lot of flexibility at hand here. But we can also block to introduce security and safety, as you will see in a few minutes. So first we're going to kick off the slave here on 56.200. And then we're going to attack it remotely on port 20,000, which is the native DNP3 port. So as you can see down here, the device actually shut down. The DNP3 slave software has shut down. These are the packets that got sent across. So now we're going to route that same exact traffic through a Peloton policy. The back end is still 56.200 on port 20,000. On the front side, we're going to hit 56.125 on port 22222, and we're enforcing a policy. So we'll start this guy up again. And this time, we're going to hit 125 on that port. As you can see down here, the slave is still running, and there were no green responses here, which means nothing got through. So there is no response from the slave because the Peloton policy that the Bayshore product is enforcing actually stopped all the traffic. Inside the device, in syslog, you can see where we actually did some of the blocking. So this can get reported via syslog or sent out to a remote syslog server or a Splunk server or anything of that nature. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any questions, you can hit us up at info@bayshorenetworks.com